like, well, I was hoping to learn more about you, and then maybe I could share some detail on about our hiring needs. And I fell into the trap, and I was struggling.
Yeah. And probably because they said, I was hoping to learn about you, and then you started talking about you. Yes? Yeah. I fall into that one all the time.
Okay, so what's the best flow to redirect that and not fall into that wrong?
Yeah, when you say you were hoping to learn, I'll just do it for me. When you say you were hoping to learn about us at Easton University and the sales coaching, can you give me a specific example of what you were hoping to learn? Right? Well, I want to know how you guys do it. Why is that? Just out of curiosity, where are you at right now in terms of, if it's a company, top line revenue, if it's an individual income, where do you want to be? Right? And now I could play around with that and hold it off a little bit. But even just holding it off to there, then it perfectly positions me. And I know this sounds a bit rhetorical, but trust me, they're not going to hit you on this. I'm still going to go, what research have you done on us? And nobody will ever go, well, that's why I called you. I haven't done any. They'll go, I just don't know anything. I mean, I've seen you. It seemed interesting, the email I got. Perfect. I can walk you through it. It's very simple. Because of the fact that you're said, you want to give yourself enough ammunition to say, because of the fact that you said XYZ, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is, I'd like to recommend boom. It's super easy. Then you're walking through. But if they go, I want to learn about you, and you go through all your plans, it's like you're Yosemite Sam. Bang, 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 bang. You shoot all your bullets, right? And then you go, tell me about you. And they go, well, we've got this problem. And the minute you go, I can solve that for you, they go, yeah, you're just saying that to try and make it because I asked you if I look fat in these pants, right? No, you really do look good in the pants. Sure. You just want to get to the party. It's really weird. But if we wait to talk about us until they've talked about themselves, they're going to trust us a lot more. So you just got to pump the brakes on that. And I know it's hard. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.